Some homes are designed for living practically, others for living beautifully, and this one is for those who want both. Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Real. Welcome to the heart of the Golden Triangle, where this stylish villa blends comfort, functionality, and seamless outdoor living, just minutes from the best beaches, golf courses, and dining in the Algarve. This open-plan design brings everyone together, whether you're by the fire on a winter's evening or gathered round the statement kitchen for a summer lunch. On the ground floor, you'll find 3 ensuite bedrooms, each with direct access to the outdoors. Upstairs, 2 more suites offer private terraces with views of the peaceful garden. This is what Algarve living is all about. Outdoor spaces that invite you to unwind or entertain, surrounded by beautifully maintained gardens, a south-facing swimming pool, and the perfect climate. And behind the scenes, it's fully equipped. Underfloor heating, solar panels for water, ducted air conditioning, and even a borehole. Everything here is designed for comfort and peace of mind. If you're looking for a villa that brings together everyday ease and timeless elegance at an inviting level, then this one might just be the perfect fit. For more information, check our reference 3774 on our website or contact us directly to book a visit. Thank you for watching.